You are going to love 2021 Lexus NX. The Lexus NX is sculpted to look nimble while hinting at the incredible power concentrated inside. The interior of the NX directly evokes the premium urban feel of the vehicle, combining the structural beauty of a high-performance machine with a material feel that maximizes luxury and functionality. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, braking assist, power brakes, airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.